Jihee Kim is the chef and owner of Perilla, LA, which has been named one of the best restaurants in America by the New York Times and was called Banchan Heaven by the LA Times. Jihee is a fast-rising star in the chef world with an incredible future ahead of her, but first, she's coming over to my house to cook lunch. This is Guest Chef. Here, welcome. This is Ben, who makes the show with us.
Hi.
He's the entire crew.
Nice to meet you.
So, fun little wrinkle of today is our power went out. It's all going to work out. The only thing is we can't use the oven, but we can use the stove.
That's fine. Yeah, then I grew up without oven.
Oh, perfect. Well, here, let me show you my pantry. Some vinegars and chilies and things like that. I've got some like spices down here.
Okay.
These are some manzanillo peppers that I've been lacto-fermenting in case you want to.
Yeah. Can I just take a look?
Yeah, please. So I charred a couple of them and the rest of them are just in a salt brine, but. And then over here as well.
Okay.
So this is the big one. We've got like pastas and noodles in here, and then a bunch of different soy sauces, bonito, kombu, cereal, dried fruit. Got some dried mushrooms back there.
Okay, I was thinking about shabu shabu.
Oh, like a hot pot. We could do it on the stove and do it with like this.
Because it's rainy and I feel like something soupy.
Yeah.
And you have a lot of ingredients.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be so delicious. Oh, should we show these from her, that she brought us from her?
Oh, actually, I can use this for dipping sauce then.
Oh, perfect. These are from her restaurant here.
This is our meshi tong. I ferment meshi, which is a Korean sour plum, a green plum, I guess, 2 years ago. You can use this to make salad dressing or cocktail. Just dilute it with water and drink it. It's good for digestion. And this is our hot mustard sauce. I'm gonna actually use this for dipping sauce for shabu, and you can use this for fried chicken too.
Oh, wow.
Oh, nice. This might be easy to
This might
cut.
be a little doable. Yeah, should we try this one?
Yes, and I have better idea. Instead of shabu, we can do jeongol, which is like a casserole dish.
Ooh.
It's like it's like a soupy, it's like a stewy but less liquid. We can still use that pot.
Great.
But we can finish here and then bring it here and
Perfect.
just eat it.
That sounds amazing. All right, so what do you want to use?
Ribeye. We have noodles too. We can use.
Yeah. I'm very excited for this.
I think this will work.
Perfect.
Yeah. Okay, let's cut. You're gonna cut the meat
ribeye
first.
before it gets too hard, before it gets too soft.
Oh, let me make some broth first.
I also have a little bit of chicken stock and ice cubes in the freezer that I made. Basically just these little cubes of it that are left.
Okay. My husband always asks like, oh, you should use this bone, you should use this shell to make stock. I was like, yeah, but I don't want to do it.
Okay, so you want me to cut, what do you think, like here?
Yeah.
And keep all the fat on?
Yes.
I'm glad I got my knives sharpened.
That's great. And then if you can maybe cut this in half this way.
This way?
Yeah.
For people who don't know, can you talk about Perilla LA and what it is?
So Perilla LA, we sell Korean banchan. So in case people who don't know what banchan is little side dishes that can be eaten with rice or on its own sometimes. But in Korean meal, it has banchan, rice, soup. It's like a whole meal. I don't know how many times I explain to people what Perilla is, and I always have a hard time.
So to me, you're taking really traditional Korean technique and cooking through your own lens and using really, really fresh local farmers market ingredients and produce.
Yes. Oh, wow, you're doing great.
So far, so good.
Okay.
You want to put the bone in here too?
Yeah, sure. Just throw it in.
So talk me through what you're thinking right now.
So while we're making broth, I'm thinking about making the marinade. So it's kind of like bulgogi. Just imagine bulgogi in a broth, in a good way. I guess.
Yeah, that sounds good. You don't have to say in a good way. It sounds good to me right away.
Oh, the broth is pretty good.
So how much broth are you making?
We only need like
Right.
up here.
So only probably like, what, 2 cups, 3 cups of broth?
Yeah, probably like a quart. Yeah. What vegetable you wanna add?
You tell me. Last time I made a hot pot, the Savoy cabbage.
Yes,
is so
I was
good
gonna
in a
say
hot
let's
pot.
use this.
I actually found that sometimes the winter squash is.
Hey.
We have power. Oh, we have daikon too.
Oh yeah, that's it. Like
Dakon's great. I'll bet the yuchoi is tasty, right?
yeah, any leafy stuff I like to.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a yuchoi.
I've never done like escarole or.
I had a escarole for soup the other day. It was great.
Want to do escarole?
Yeah, that's
Right.
escarole.
How come nobody refers to Napa cabbage as a Napa cab?
You know what I do when I label at
Napa
work?
cab?
Napa cab.
Like a Cabernet from Napa?
Yeah,
from Napa
I
Valley?
do. Napa cab kimchi.
All right, so this is for the broth. You're grating garlic to go into it?
The garlic is for marinating
Oh,
the beef.
yeah.
Yeah.
So what goes into your typical marinade?
Garlic, soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, sesame oil. Oh, we can use some macheton too.
It's like a perfect cold weather morning
Yeah.
to make this. This is awesome.
I'm glad you have
I'm
all
like,
of this.
this is such a fun show to get to make, and I get so excited every time. Like, at the end of the day, I'm so tired. It's spicy.
We can make dipping sauce with this.
Ooh.
Ooh, it is spicy.
So tell me again what all went into this marinade.
Soy sauce, sugar, or you can use this too. Mm-hmm. And sesame oil, garlic. That's it. You think I'm crazy?
Tasting it raw.
Yeah.
It's ribeye.
I know, it's good quality,
Yeah.
so-
Yeah, you're making tartare.
I know. Actually, this is like Korean tartar.
Yeah. So what's this dish called again?
Bulgogi Jeongol. And
Okay.
if you want the spicy version, you can use you can cut soy sauce and gochujang half and half, and add some gochugaru too.
Which one do we go with?
Whatever's easy to cut.
That's
Like
so
it
good.
could be the yukwae, like Korean beef tartar.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, like you don't have to smash it like that, but next time you can thinly slice.
You should try that. It's
All right.
And
unbelievably
like,
good.
That's pretty good.
Like, I just want to eat that.
with an egg yolk.
Let's just end the episode now. Let's just, we're done.
I'm actually surprised that you're not scared of raw meat or seafood. Yeah.
Is it because I'm white? These, I just took the peels off and then just cored it. I'm just going to slice it. We're going to put it into the, what's it called again? Bulgogi
Jeongol?
Jeongol. I'm very excited for this meal, Ben.
Should we cook rice?
Sure. You tell me.
This.
Yeah. Is it white or is
Yeah,
it
it says white.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's white.
The power turned back on, and now we can use a rice cooker. So essentially, you layer everything in so it looks pretty, basically,
Yeah.
and then you put in the broth, and then it all
And
cooks
then
together.
meat in the middle, and then it comes together.
That's awesome. These are some of the tricks that I need to learn. So it doesn't just look like I just pour it all in. It looks like a sludgy soup by the end.
Also, I feel like this kind of stuff you eat with a lot of people, so like
Yeah.
you kind of
You want
show
to,
them.
Yeah, you want it to look nice. So what's the most important item that you always have to keep in your pantry, stocked at all times?
Garlic,
Garlic?
sesame oil.
The one thing you texted me was you said, you have soy sauce and sesame oil
I'm sure
and
you
sesame
do,
seeds,
but I
right?"
just wanted to double
just in
check.
case, yeah.
Yeah, just in case.
I guess it's different now because of the new restaurant, but how often do you cook at home?
So I haven't cooked since after Perilla opened, which is July, until end of December. I actually didn't cook at all at home.
A lot of chefs don't cook at all at home. When I opened a barbecue restaurant, it made me never want to eat barbecue for a long time. Does your restaurant make you get sick of Korean food now?
Actually, no.
I think it's such a core. It's like for me, like I grew up with Italian food, and so you grew up with that. I wonder if there's like because it's a core food.
Yeah, I still now. I mean, I force myself now eat my own food.
Yeah.
But before last year, I didn't even want to eat my own food.
Where'd you grow up?
Korea,
Oh, what city?
Busan.
Busan. When you were growing up, what was your impression of American food? What did you think it was?
Oh, so when I grew up in Korea, that was like 90. There was, like a TGI Friday, and then like a Bennigan's, Outback. Outback is not American, right?
It's Australian,
Yeah,
but
but
it's not what they how
Like
they eat in
those
Australia either.
stuff is actually considered like,
American food.
yeah, and expensive.
Yeah.
So I saved all my money when I was in high school, and then like I spent it all like one meal.
What was your order at TGI Fridays?
Like those potato wedges.
Oh yeah.
And when you go to Outback, we had this like steak and then what do you call like fried with like cheese on top.
Oh yeah.
We loved it. Now I know how it is here, but back then
Yeah.
it's like, oh wow, this is like kind of consider, I don't want to call it fancy, but it's like
Yeah.
like something
Yeah.
that we're looking for.
Did you come straight to LA? Was that the city you came
No,
to?
I came to state 2007. I got this internship at a casino hotel. It's not what I expected. So when
Yeah.
I imagined America, I was like LA or New York.
Yeah.
New York City.
Wait, what city was the
It
casino?
was like a North San Diego.
Oh, funny.
And then I was like, oh, what is this? Like, I was so shocked. I was like, oh, is this like some sort of scam? And I always wanted to go to culinary school.
Yeah.
So I can tell my parents, oh, I moved to America to do something.
Mm-hmm.
So after a year internship, I went to San Francisco and I went to school and worked there since and moved to LA. So I just pour the one we make the broth, and then I feel like there's a cabbage and then other stuff, so it'll take a little bit time to cook. So I'm just gonna let this start this and then let this going on while I'm making dipping sauce.
And so Ben, I'm taking boiling water and I'm putting dried noodles into it.
Thank you for letting me know.
We don't have to make dipping sauce, but after I see this, I just want to make something.
Yeah.
So
Do you want more of them or
Yes.
is that plenty? Yeah. So you made like a super condensed broth basically, and it's kind of steaming, and then do you add more water to it as it goes along?
Also, the water will come out from
Oh,
the
yeah.
vegetable too. So we'll see.
Okay, so what's gone into this so
So
far?
I have no idea what I was making, but I just wanna use this.
Yeah.
So it's just like a slice of your peppers.
Yeah.
Add some shallot, some of this, and some of rice vinegar. That's it.
Amazing.
It's like this reminds me of when you go. It's like a taco stand.
Let's try it. That's delicious. I can even just eat that on some rice or something.
Ooh, still spicy.
It is still spicy. How long does it take when you make kimchi at home?
I've noticed that American cooks or people always ask me like, "Is this ready?" But with the cabbage kimchi, there's no such a things ready. You basically eat from the day that you make
Right.
until
It's finished.
until you have it in your house.
Yeah.
So
It just changes
it
flavor the
just
whole
changes
time.
the flavor, and then you do different stuff with the. It depends on the flavor.
Yeah.
The
Is this young
you get.
kimchi and old
Young
kimchi?
kimchi, you eat like it bosom.
Okay.
So you traditionally when we make kimchi, when you finish making kimchi, you just boil the pork, and you eat bosom. It's like celebrating that we're done
Yeah.
making kimchi.
Oh, that makes sense.
And when it gets sour, you cook it. You make kimchi fried rice or kimchi
Right,
stew.
right.
But in between times, like it also depends on it's like really personal preference. Some
Yeah.
people like sour stuff. Some people like fresher taste.
Mm-hmm.
So it really depends on what you like. But with the Napa cabbage kimchi, there's no such a thing that when it's ready or you can eat
It's just
anytime.
different versions of itself.
Yeah.
This is going to be so good.
I broke the tofu.
And so for the beef, you kind of keep it compressed together so it stays kind of rare in the middle a little bit?
Yeah, and then I'm just waiting until it's like a last minute.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Right now, I'm pretty much cooking vegetables. When I have those, what do you call induction burner or something, we have it like we set this
At the table?
at the table, just talking while this is cooking,
Mm-hmm.
and then when it's done, we just eat.
We're kind of doing
We're
that
kind
here.
of doing that,
We
yes.
just have to stand up the whole time.
Yeah. Okay, I think this is almost ready.
Okay, should I refresh the noodles or not yet?
Yeah, let's do that. And I'm gonna make one more dipping sauce. Oh, we have this too. I think we're good.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's a lot of noodle. Did
Yeah,
you
we
cook
don't-
all of it?
Yeah.
And then, since we're eating over there, I'll just move it, I guess. Nice.
This looks amazing. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting.
Just stick it in.
Okay, where do I start?
Start with me.
Ooh,
Oh, hi.
that's so good.
And then you just kind of grab your
Try some stuff.
Walruses love Korean food too. It's a perfect pre-workout blaster.
It is hot.
It was hot.
This is
So juicy. It's so satisfying.
everything that I want right now.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, have a fun workout. I'll see you later.
Okay, you guys enjoy. Thank you. It's so comforting and it's rainy and cold here. It's delicious. I'm gonna come back after the workout and go to town.
Use your special homemade hot sauce. Dude, this is so good. This is the perfect meal. Cold, rainy day. The power shut off. And we made the perfect. Wow, this is so exciting. This is the one way I can actually get you to finally eat your own food.
I know. Only at friend's house.